Hilarious. I was filming my vlog and the GoPro overheats. It goes beep 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 beep, shutting down. I don't think it's run out of battery, I think it's overheated. And you take it out of its like wind housing, which is that, and it's like hot. And you're like, okay, I think this is shut down because it's too hot. And because it's a bit of a chilly day, I wouldn't be able to do this in summer very well. Let's put it out on the car windscreen. It's just like hovering there because the glass felt kind of cool there, and the bonnet felt kind of cool in the wind. So it's just outside now. Like, look, it flies. It looks like it's flying or something. So yeah, I don't know if I'll continue vlogging on this camera or wait for that to cool down a bit and continue. I was almost done with my vlog anyway. This is my day out at Tavi Golf Links so far on a sunny day. First sunny day we've had in fucking ages. What is this? The end of January. And I hope that my footage on there is not corrupted by it having to shut down while I was vlogging. I really hope that it recorded the whole thing. I don't know how long it'll take to cool that down. Anyway. Okay, there's some views. There's a pimple. Look at the kind of day it is. Look at it. That's the kind of day it is. It's not sunny on me right now, but it's just probably a little cloud in front of the sun. And there's a lot of activity. There's a lot of people out there doing stuff, which is cool. It's fucking golfers. What's that in the background there? Now at Plasterdown. And I just noticed I got the reflection of a pond full of water in the car. Look what it's doing. It's amazing. Little dapples and things shimmering. So cool. Glad to have got that vlog out of the way. I think this battery's down to like 20% or something. 17%. What a day. Man, I love the sunshine. Good day of sunshine. Just makes everything look better. So many tours over there. Might drive to some of them. Don't think I'll walk up them. Unless it's an easy one, but I might drive to some of them. That. We just need more of these sunny days. They are excellent to be out in. Just makes you think a lot more clearer. This cloud out here looks like a starship or a bus or something. Look at it. What the hell? Put that in Independence Day 3. A monstrous machine. Oh, look at that. Some high Alps clouds. Look at that. What the fuck? And now we're at Cox Tor, Barnhill car parking. And I got ice cream and hot chocolate. It's not very good hot chocolate, by the way. Aero hot choc. It's like polluted water. Water polluted with very mild and weak chocolate. But yeah, the sun's hiding, or it was hiding behind a cloud. Maybe we're getting some more now. Just stopped at Princetown. Found out they do have toilets, but they're like paid toilets. Some of the first paid toilets I've seen before. 20p to get in. It's weird. Pay and display car park, but the main street is not pay and display if you can find a place to park there. I went in the, I can't remember if it's Dewstone, no, it's the other one next to it, like Ice Warrior I think it's called. Loads of camping gear and stuff, but more interestingly, right next to the door, there was a big stack of OS maps, and it says free to a good home. And the lady in there said she grabbed a few of them. And they're like 2007 maps, so they should be fine, mostly in date, not much changed. And they were like free, and I thought, oh man, I don't want to be a freeloader, so I bought a little bowl for my car in case I need a bowl. Lightweight thing. And yeah, some of the actual maps that were for sale were like £18.50 for a map, and I was like, oh god, I'd probably get these cheaper online. But all of those was free, and I got a big old stack of like, I don't know how many. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, like 7 of them. Which is kind of cool. And now I'm up here. I've never really parked here before. I'm at this bit. This is across from the Fog and Tour. Where's the Fog and Tour? Down there, just a few meters down from me, is the Fog and Tour car park. And I don't think we're going to get as good a sunset as we did yesterday, which was a terrible overcast day, but it had a great sunset at the end of it. I think we get the reverse today. A good sunny blue sky day, and now it's clouding over. Might not get to see much of a sunset. Oh dude, we are going to get a sunset. The sky cleared up again towards the sun. I was lucky. Ah yes. Lovely. Surrounded by tours as well. Goes today, my dudes. There's the sun not setting into the horizon but setting into a big cloud bank. You can see all this below me's in shade. We're the next to receive it. Once it goes into that thick cloud bank, which is now basically, we are going to be in the shade for the rest of the day. Yeah, there it goes, it's just vanished. That was the sun setting, but into a cloud. Now we're in Shade Town. Don't need these anymore.
Thank you for watching.